Hello YouTube, today we are doing a kitchen sink install. First I have to smash this hole out for the tap, which was a great success. The fixings and flexi hoses for the kitchen tap.
Like on the big screen, no doubt I'm wishing it was me.
Need to cut hair off a back nut and fixing of tap. Pipe work needs some clips to add some support to the pipes. Here I've sealed the kitchen sink in place and cleaned all the silicone out from around the edge before this happened. The rain started coming sideways and it was very wet outside. Now we are going to get on to connecting the water connections to the kitchen sink this includes, and doing the waste pipe and soldered connections. Remember to subscribe for more amazing content like this. You could also check out more amazing videos on the channel of how to do some plumbing jobs. If you could at least like the video, that's a massive help. I know the blue caps go inside the horns. You'd have worried the kitchen fitter won't know that and connect the hoses straight onto the horns. Here we are adding some isolation valves and washing machine water points for the kitchen fitter to connect appliances. Here's what I got done before. The floor layer came to screed the floor will come back another day to add clips to the pipework. And maybe fit the washing machine. Hope you have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Maybe it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How I